Hi everyone, my name is Andre from PAGODA-BUILD Vietnam and PAGODA-BUILD USA, and in this short video I want to share loading process of container which we ship to United States. It's very interesting items with rock face edges. The freight from Vietnam to USA is still quite high, but some items are still competitive. We hope that the freight will go down in September, October, but anyway we're still shipping, so if you need stone from Vietnam, 603 or other positions, or from Cambodia, which we also ship from Ho Chi Minh Port in Vietnam, please contact us. Let's have a look to the loading process.
Load the ship tonight, granite shining bright. From Bella White we send to the world, and stacking stones with pride across the ocean wide. Containers packed with care, dreams to everywhere. Granite dreamers unite, setting sail tonight. From V603 we rise to reach the distant skies. We pledge every inch and ledge, crafted with our hands for distant lands. USA and beyond, with every stone we're strong. We're strong, granite hearts that beat, feel the rhythm in the street. Granite dreamers unite, setting sail tonight. From V603 we rise to reach the distant skies. Every edge and ledge, crafted with our hands for distant lands. USA and beyond, with every stone we are strong, granite heart.